how to connect your JBL soundbar to Wi-Fi. So we can just go ahead and explain how this works. One of the ways you can do this is to use the JBL One app. If you don't have it yet, you can go ahead to your Play Store and just search for JBL One, install, open, and log into your account if you have one. So make sure it is in Wi-Fi setup mode as well. But anyways, download the JBL app, do that process, sign in, and then tap on add your device. Go ahead and choose your product over here. Since you're on a soundbar model, you can go ahead and choose that and then look for your specific model as well. Let's say you have a bar 800 MK2. What you're gonna do now is to follow the setup instructions. So enter Wi-Fi setup mode. So to do that, you can go ahead and press and hold the volume down and volume up buttons at the same time until the LED flashes. You're gonna hold that for about 10 seconds. So when prompted, go ahead and do that process and wait for the setup to complete until the app confirms the connection. Then the soundbar will pretty much just automatically join your Wi-Fi network and could also perform a firmware update. But that's pretty much it. Hopefully it helps, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.